Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a flat plastic spudger, and a suction cup. Start by powering off your MacBook Air and unplugging it from any power source. Begin by removing the 10 P5 screws on the bottom case. Make sure to keep them organized since they vary in size. Once all screws are removed, use a spudger to gently pry open the bottom case. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the logic board using your spudger. This is crucial to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. If you feel unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the right help if needed. Now, locate the display connector. Carefully remove the screws securing it with the T5 Torx screwdriver. Once removed, gently lift the display connector straight up to avoid any damage. It's important to handle this with care to prevent future issues with connectivity. With the connector removed, it's time to detach the display from the MacBook. Use the suction cup to lift the screen gently while ensuring you don't force it. If you find this too challenging, consider using our pickup and delivery at your home service, which eliminates the need for calls or travel. After the screen is lifted, you'll see several more screws that need to be removed to fully detach the display assembly. As you proceed, keep track of each screw and where it belongs. A magnetic mat can be helpful here. Once all screws are removed, carefully pull the display assembly away from the hinges. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any missed screws. This part can be delicate, so patience is key. Now, take the new screen and align it with the hinges. Ensure it fits snugly before securing it with screws. Remember to reconnect the display connector to the logic board before sealing up the device. After securing all connections, reconnect the battery and place the bottom case back on. Replace all 10 P5 screws and ensure they are tightly secured. Before finishing, double-check your work. If everything looks good, power on your MacBook Air to test the new screen. If it doesn't work as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for our quote before repair service, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, clean the internal components gently with a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any dust accumulated during the process. This will keep your device in optimal condition. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your MacBook Air 1466. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.